Hello everyone! Today we are going to draw and color a rainbow bathroom. Let's start drawing.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here a there, a everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a pig.
Let's start coloring. Yellow,
Here and a there, here a there, a everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
light green,
And on his farm he had a dog, E-I-E-I-O. With a
red,
there, here, there, everywhere. Old MacDonald
dark blue,
had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some ducks, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here, there, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a
very good! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel.